Hey, welcome back. I just want to kind of show you a few more things on the tips and tricks side of this. This is more of a country kitchen, a farmhouse kitchen, if you will. And I want to show you this because we don't see a lot of designers that get out and put the block molding. But you see the simplicity of the block molding and how it gives the space above for storage and stuff, but it doesn't make it look like it's just boxes hanging on the wall. It has a continuity to it whenever you use some type of block molding. Now this is just a sanded 1.5 is what it is. It's a solid stock, and we've used it over a 3/4 inch projection to the face. Using scribes and stuff like this. But another thing too, you see how we have the projection of the refrigerator from above. No end panel, no end panels required because we're tied into the other cabinet here. We're tied into the wall on that end. But the other thing too, as far as this room, there's a couple things that's unique about it. We have a void corner section. And on a void corner section, a lot of times when you have this close of a dishwasher to the corner, they wanted to have a set of drawers in the room. This was the best way to do it because of cost for one thing, but then also functionality. You have to have at least 27 to 28 inches of space here to make sure that your dishwasher can operate correctly. And then they tied that into having a apron sink. The apron sink, farm sink, whatever you call it, will be height determinant. And what I mean by that is this is a good example of the shorter door sink base. This is what they call a deep apron sink base. Some of your apron sinks are only 9 3/4 inches tall, and that would be your standard apron sink base is what that would be. But a deep apron sink base is for the 10 to 10.5 inch depth of the apron sinks. And if you can see the projection to the front's about 2 inches past the face frame, 2 inches out past the face frame. But it gives you a pocket back here for all of your faucets and everything else to go inside of that space. And then we have to build this cradle. We have to actually take 2x material and legs and build a cradle to go inside. Let me show you a picture in here. To go inside of everything to hold the weight of that piece up, okay? The last thing to show you is the return over here. Normally you see people that have a corner angle return, okay? Again, going with the theme of it looking like an older home, like a cottage home. This is your wall easy reach corner, okay? And as a wall easy reach corner, you actually have that same L shape that probably the house was built with, and it looks contemporary to the home, but then you have the same amount of storage basically. You have a little bit of a difference in the shape, and it has about the same storage, but more accessibility to that corner. And then they finished up this side with a Lazy Susan in the bottom. So a void corner section on one side of the room, Lazy Susan on the other side of the room. You get the best of both worlds. The pricing is less for the void, and then you get the functionality of the Lazy Susan. If you need something else, give me a call. It's Right Way Cabinets, 423-650-1051. Thanks. Have a good day.